money disappears before the month end and no budgeting app has worked yet, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Sirisha, a CA, and the simplest fix that I know to this problem is just a small change to your setup, nothing else. Let me show you how. But first, this isn't a you problem. There was a survey of 3,000 salaried Indians, and it turns out 8 out of 10 people run out of money by month end, and almost a third by mid-month, and some of them even earn in lakhs. So this is not a salary problem or a you problem, but just a setup problem. All this starts with a number that is nicely lying to you. Here, watch. Suppose there's a salary 50,000. Feels like 50,000 is there to spend, right? Wrong. Remove rent, EMI, SIP, groceries, bills, other subscriptions. What's left? It's just 5,000. That's the real number that is actually there to spend. But your brain never sees this 5,000. It only sees 50,000. And that big number feels like a permission. Permission to spend money that was never really yours. There's a name for it called mental accounting. Basically, if all the money is under one label, the whole money is treated as equal. Because temptation starts at the counter, apps open, and the willpower happily loses every time. So what do? We don't fix ourselves. We just change the setup. And the solution is embarrassingly simple. Just have two accounts instead of one. So one account will be the bills account. In this case, the 45,000 directly moves here. Rent, EMI, SIP, everything goes away from this account automatically. We don't really touch it. And the second account is the spending account. In this example, the 5,000 moves here at the beginning, and this is the only account that we can use. And there's one small trick. Our cards and our UPI have to be linked to only the spending account. This way, it keeps us accountable. And here's the part I absolutely love. You can't accidentally overspend. Like, you can't spend your rent money because it's not in the spending account. When money in the spending account runs low, that's your signal. So there's no guilt, willpower, math, spreadsheets involved at the counter. The structure does the discipline instead of us. And I'll be honest about one thing. The first month is going to be difficult. It's going to seem a little tight. That's not because the system is being harsh. That's because we're finally seeing the real number. But mid-month, when you actually go to spend, you open your account and you see the number, there's no panic of where did all the money go or where am I spending it on? And that's the moment that the system actually clicks. Now you're probably wondering two things. First, if I have less salary, will it work? Honestly, the lesser buffer you have, the more important it is to know your real number. So 30,000 or 3 lakhs doesn't matter. And the second one is, if my income changes every month, then what do? You'll have an additional step of resetting the spending number every month, but otherwise the structure is the same. Here's the only test that matters. Right now, without opening account or calculating, do you know how much money you actually have to spend? If you don't, it wasn't about discipline, it was just about visibility. And these two accounts create that visibility for you. This is basically just about putting a small wall between you and the decision that you would otherwise get wrong. And once you start seeing money that way, everything becomes a lot more simpler with structure. So let me know in the comments, are you team one account or are you going to create the second account this weekend? I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. If you like this video, make sure to check out the other two videos, which I'm pretty sure you like as well.